My seat post mount consists of the following: the GoPro mount bracket, and then this is the 90 degrees pivot to control the horizontal movement, and this is the Ulanzi Hummingbird quick release system. This can be used as GoPro mount, so it's a good combination, it's a good movement. And then I use this Ulanzi Hummingbird for easy changing. And then I have this Ulanzi phone holder, and then I attach the Ulanzi Hummingbird attachment, so I can just click it over, and then I just can remove easily. So if I want to switch devices, I can easily do. And then let's say, for example, if I want to use 360, yeah, I can just turn 90 degrees. And then if I want to use behind, I will just loosen this and rotate 180 degrees. So it's good to have this kind of mount, but the problem, you won't be able to drop your seat post fully down, so you will have some problem parking if you're going to park it under your desk. But the quick solution is to split it up. Take out your seat post from your frame and park it separately, so you don't need to take out this bracket. So this is the advantage of quick release system. It's a good mount, steady and stable. And then for this, remember, when you are mounting using thumb screw, be sure you have the wrench, because the force of the fingers without a tool is not enough to tighten these things. Later on, during the vibration, your screw will get loosened. Then that's the common cause of falling. So if possible, it's good to use this type of screws without the thumb screw, but you need a tool, because this one, if you have a tool, you can tighten it well, then you can avoid the loosening during vibration. Okay folks, that's all. And by the way, this is very important for every ride. Don't forget to attach a safety line on your phone when you're using it to record your ride. This is to protect your phone from falling. You just hook to that bracket before you attach to your Ulanzi Hummingbird. Yeah. So when it falls, it will just hang. So if you want, you can just wrap this one around, So this will be safer, especially when you put it behind where you can't see.